dream right now.
Bang, 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 bang.
Okay, good evening. Sun's going down. Look at this. This is what's weird. Why are there night lights over here? I'll do this again. There's the sun. Hello, sun. Passing the horizon. And then we go not quite 180 degrees. What is lighting up the sky over there? That's crazy. My guess is geoengineering. The aluminum's catching the light and bouncing it down and around up higher in the stratosphere, illuminating the stratosphere. In the meantime, the clouds, which are lower, full of water, look darker, like there's a light over there. And if that's not it, I don't really know. I'm always wrong anyway. Check this out. Let's do it again. Okay. Come out here to get a couple shots. Show y'all. The desert's a really beautiful place. I'm gonna be moving to Colorado. I'm gonna miss it, but not that much. Not enough. Well, if anybody wants to help tackle why that's doing that, I'm willing to listen. I can tell you that right now. That's just the weirdest thing ever. I mean, we're definitely in the new world. It's like there's a light source right there. The sun's down. How is that? The sun is down. You know what it is? It's barium. Wow, I zoom in and look at that. Oh my God, that is just... Wow. This camera must be freaking out or something. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's awesome. Carver13 saying thanks for watch. Chin, Shadow, stay over here, girl. Please. Shadow, stay away from the bushes. There could be rattlesnakes. Hey folks, so the sun went down. I filmed it. It's gone. What you're seeing is a reflection off the atmosphere. But check this out. We turned not even 180 degrees and it's lit up over here. Now it has been this way for the last, half hour. I mean, you've already seen it. I don't even know why I'm telling you. I got so much video and pictures of it. But why is it still lit up? I mean, the sun's down, so the light's bouncing off the dome. So the light has to be bouncing off the dome and then shining over there. But why isn't it shining over there? Okay, look. So there it is. We go this way. Nothing, right? Let's do it again. This way. Nothing. This way. It's finally going down, but still, there's light in there. So I get home and the moon is above the sunset. With the sunset down on the right, there's a half moon or whatever you want.